Welcome back to the final episode of Season 4, Episode 6, The Destroyed Condo, all cleaned up. This episode is just basically going to show you the final product, and if you stay tuned at the end, I'll have a little bit more details of everything involved and what I think of rentals. So watch the whole thing through, watch the amazing transformation, and then see the numbers at the end. I'm going to go over the numbers and the details of the sale of this condo. The condo was bought in 2005 for $192,000. I started renting it in 2007 and rented it for 14 years. I had a mortgage of $102,000 to start. With COVID, the tenant took advantage of not having to pay rent and left that about $10,000 in back rent. Then, as you have saw, left the place destroyed. I did most of the work myself for a month and a half, from 9 p.m. at night to midnight, 6 days a week. I put $9,500 into the rehab that included new appliances, an electrician, paint, carpet, fixing a lot of small items that were destroyed. One of the other things was, luckily, I was in a condo because I probably filled up their dumpsters 5+ times. So I sold the condo in 2021 and bought 2 more rentals with tax deferral 1031 exchanges, and can put you in touch with an expert. Why, you may ask? Why would I buy more after this? Because I look at rentals as short-term pain for long-term gain. Now, let's go more depth in the numbers. I bought it for $192,000. Mortgage pay down came to about $66,000. $98,000 in tax depreciation. $33,000 in appreciation. So in total, almost $200,000 in benefits to $20,000 in losses, which will be deducted off taxes as well. Thought people would like to see the totals a little bit more in depth. If you have any questions, let me know.